Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, IPSC 2019. With me, Rizki Maulana Ashidiq, we gonna talk about optical instruments that related to integrated science. So, without any talk about anything, let's get to the topic. First, we talk about what is optical instruments. In physics definitions, optical instruments are the device which process the light wave to exchange an image for a clear view. So, how about optical instruments in different definitions? In biology definitions, especially in animals, A has many important functions that depend on their habitat and how they live. Some animals have developed their eye to more sensitive to look an object. For example, owl, fly, and eagle. And we got about mathematics definition. By applying mathematical equation, we can determine the strength of the lens in myopia and hyperopia. In technology aspect, there are many technology has developed based on how our eyes works. For example, camera, microscope, and telescope. In engineering, optical instruments are developed aspects from mathematics and technology. For example, we design a simple projector in our group. So, we jump to next topic. Which is lens. We talk about lens. We talk about simple magnifier and simple minimizer. As you can see in this picture, in the upside one is convex lens and the lower one is concave lens. First, we talk about simple magnifier. A simple magnifier consists of a single converging lens or convex lens, and this device is used to increase the apparent size of an object. The size of an image formed on the retina depends on the angle of subtended by the eye. We talk about simple minimizer. A simple minimizer consists of a single concave lens. This device is used to decrease the apparent size of an object. The size of an object formed on the retina depends on the angle subtended by the eye. Next topic, we talk about camera and human eye. We're gonna talk about definition. Eye is an optical instrument that enables us to view the objects around us. It is very complex organ. And meanwhile in camera is same with eye, is used to see objects. Meanwhile, a camera is using lens to take out the light rays bouncing around and uses glass to redirect them to single point, creating sharp image. As you can see in this picture, there are comparisons between camera and eye. There are film and retina, diaphragma and iris, aperture and pupil, and lens in eye have lens also, and black paint, and in camera is choroid. Enough, and we jump to the next topic. We're gonna talk about telescope. Telescope. There are two fundamental types of telescope, which is refracting telescope uses a combination of lens to form an image, and then reflecting telescope is used curved mirror and a lens to form an image. Telescope can be analyzed by considering them to be two optical elements in a row. The image of the first element becomes the object of the second element. Here a refracting telescope. The two lenses are arranged so that the object forms a real inverted image of a distant object. Second is the image is near the focal point of the eyepiece. The third is the two lenses are separated by the distance of f0 plus fa, which corresponds to the length of the tube. And the last one, the eyepiece forms an enlarged, inverted image of the first image. As you can see in this picture, there is eyepiece lens and there is objective lens. So we talk about next topic. Example of telescope. First is reflecting telescope, which is enlarged in the world or 10-meter diameter. Next telescope on Mauna Kea in Hawaii. And the second is large single mirror in US is 5-meter diameter on Mount Polar in California. And for refracting telescope, which is largest in the world, is Yerkes Observatory in Wisconsin, has a 1 diameter. So I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the likes below. See you guys, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.